Okay, good morning students. Welcome to biology class. In previous class, we have discussed about human digestive system. In the human digestive system is a complex organ system. It consists of different parts of the body. They are mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Mouth is otherwise called buccal cavity. It presents in three parts. They are salivary glands, tongue and teeth. There is three parts are present in the mouth. Salivary glands. Salivary glands releasing saliva. It containing a salivary enzyme. Salivary enzyme. The salivary enzyme, the food is containing starch is converted into simple sugars like maltose and dextrin. Maltose and dextrin. And saliva is helping lubricate the food materials into esophagus. Next, second one is tongue. Tongue is a muscular organ and it is helping to mixing the food in the mouth cavity. And it is present different types of taste buds. Different types of taste buds. These taste buds are identifying the different tastes. These taste buds are identifying the different tastes like sweet, salt, sour and bitter. For example, sugar and jaggery. Sugar and jaggery are sweet in taste. Salt is a salty taste. Next, guava, mango, tamarind. These are sour in tastes. Sour in tastes. Then bitter. Bitter gourd and neem. These are bitter in tastes. Okay. Tongue is identifying the different types of tastes. Next, now we will discuss about the topic is teeth. The topic is teeth. Okay, teeth. Teeth are important in the mouth cavity. It is chewing the food materials. Chewing the food materials. And it is different types of teeth are present in the mouth cavity. They are canines, incisors, premolars and molars. In human lifetime is present two set of teeth. Two sets of teeth is present in the human lifetime. They are milk teeth and permanent teeth. Milk teeth and permanent teeth. Milk teeth are otherwise called temporary teeth. Milk teeth otherwise called temporary teeth. Okay. Yes. Milk teeth are present in the 6 years. 6 months to 6 years. 6 months to 6 years is present the children by milk teeth. It is 20 in number. 20 in number are present in the milk teeth. 20 in number by children. Then another one is permanent teeth. Permanent teeth after 6 years to is appear by permanent teeth. After 6 years to appear permanent teeth. Okay. In the human lifetime is present two set of teeth. One is milk teeth and another one is permanent teeth. Milk teeth otherwise called temporary teeth. They are appear 6 months to 6 years in children having 20 in number. Then permanent teeth. Permanent teeth after 6 years to appear. In adults it present 32 in number. In adults it present 32 Next, temporary teeth. Temporary teeth are shed off. Temporary teeth are shed off. Once they are shed off, replaced by permanent teeth. Once they are shed off, replaced by permanent teeth. Okay, but permanent teeth are shed off, it will not coming again. Permanent teeth shed off, it will not coming again. Shed off, not coming again. Okay, next, last one is in children is absent in premolars. Absent in molars. Then adults are present in the molars. Adults are present in the molars. Say, observe carefully teeth. Teeth are helping chewing and cutting and tearing, grinding the food materials. There are two sets of teeth are present in the human lifetime. They are milk teeth and permanent teeth. Milk teeth and permanent teeth. Milk teeth otherwise called temporary teeth. They are appear 6 months to 6 years. But permanent teeth after 6 years to appear. Next, milk teeth are 20 in number. Children are contain 20 number of teeth. But adults are contain 32 teeth. Next, milk teeth are shed off and replaced by permanent teeth. Replaced by permanent teeth. Next, permanent teeth. Permanent teeth shed off, not coming again. Okay, next. Then children are absent molars. Absent molars. But adults are present molars. Adults are present molars. This is about milk teeth and permanent teeth. Next we will discuss about the types of teeth. Types of teeth. There are 4 types of teeth present in the mouth cavity. How many types? 4 types of teeth present in the mouth cavity. They are helping the food to cutting, tearing, chewing and grinding the food materials. There are 4 types of teeth. Incisors. Next, canines. Incisors, canines, premolars. And last one is molars. Okay, how many types of teeth? There are 4 types of teeth. 4 types of teeth are present in the mouth cavity. They are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Once observe the picture, then it present in the mouth cavity. There are 4 types of teeth. There is present in 4 incisors. 4 incisors. These 4 are called incisors. Incisors are 4 in number. Next, canines. These 2 are called canines. Next, after is present 4. Then 4 are called premolars. These are called premolars. Next, last is present 3 are molars. The 3 are molars. Observe carefully. Incisors. Incisors are 4 in number. Canines. Canines are 2 in number. Then premolars are 4 in number. Then premolars are 6 in number. Total 16 teeth. Means upper jaw is present 16. Lower jaw is present 16. Total number of teeth. 32 teeth are present in the adults. 32 teeth are present in the adults. Incisors is main function to cut the food materials. Incisors main function to cut the food materials. They have a some sharp object front portion of the teeth. Next, canines. Canines is main function to tear the flesh. To tear the flesh. To tearing the flesh for other animals. For other animals. This is 4 is incisors. This is canines. These 2 are premolars. Then 3 are molars. These 3 are molars. In the lower jaw also 16. Total 32 teeth. Upper jaw 16 and lower jaw also 16. Total 32 teeth are present in the mouth cavity. Then incisors. Incisors main function cutting the food materials. Cutting the food materials like herbivores. Herbivores are eating grass. Then grass leaves are cut into small pieces with the help of incisors. Canines. Canines main function tearing the flesh. Tearing the flesh. It is tearing the flesh for other animals. It is also sharp objects. Premolars and molars chewing the food. These are chewing the food materials. For example, it is incisors. Incisors. Next, another one is canines. Then premolars. Then molars. This is premolars and it is molars. Okay, these are the different types of teeth helping to chewing the food materials. There are different types of teeth are present in the mouth cavity. They are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Okay. See, these are 4 types of teeth. Then first one is incisors. Incisors are cutting the food materials. Its structure is somewhat sharp only. It cut the food materials into pieces. Then cow is well developed by incisors. Then canines. Canines are also sharp edges of the teeth. It is tearing the flesh. The sharp edge of the tooth and tearing the flesh for other animals. Canines are well developed in carnivores. Then omnivores. Omnivores are present 4 types of teeth. Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Premolars and molars are some bend like structure. End of the tooth is bending that is grinding and chewing the food materials. These 4 types of teeth are present in the human mouth cavity. Next we will discuss about taking care of teeth. Care of teeth. Teeth is very important It helps in chewing, grinding and masticating the food materials. If eating food materials, small particles are stuck between the teeth. A small particles are stuck between the teeth. That result some of the microorganisms growing on the food particles. If you removing is a no problem. If you not removing these small particles, some of the microorganisms are growing on the food particles is called plaque. In the microorganisms containing this plaque, if eating food materials are converted into starch, starch is converted into sugars. Starch is converted into sugars. The sugars are important to decay the tooth. That result it form a tooth cavity. That's why once we are eating food, immediately brush. Otherwise, twice in a day. If you brush the teeth twice in a day, that is good for health. Okay, next we will discuss about the topic is esophagus. Taking care of teeth is very important. Once we are eating food material, some of the small food particles are stuck between the tooth. If you are not removing these particles, it form a plaque. Then after it develop into small microorganisms, these microorganisms starch is converted into sugars. These sugars are the formation of tooth decay, causing of tooth decay.